Hi, Namaste. I am Yogi Dinesh. So today I am explaining you about Paschimottanasana in yoga forward bending posture. Lot of my students, they ask me how, if anybody have a ligament problem or slip disc or some leg problem or knee pain, so how can teach them Paschimottanasana? By helping with the block, with the belt, with the cushion and a small blanket and cushion. Yeah. So first need to practice whenever you're doing Paschimottanasana is called forward bending posture. Paschim means back, Uttana means stretching. So what happen when you do forward bending posture, your back stretch and your leg stretch. So two problem here. If some people have a back ligament problem, like if they have short ligament and they cannot overstretch it. If they stretch over, they get the pain. They cannot practice next day. So for them, first you need to take a small blanket under the knees here, under the knee, and put under the knee and support it. And the knee support, you will not, if you go forward, you will, back of the knees have support, and this support will be help to ligament and back of the leg. So adjust the here and then you can stretch and little forward. Who have beginner, like cannot very advanced, so they can use with the yoga belt. They have under the leg blanket, or you can use small cushion also. And if you don't have blanket, if you don't have cushion, you can roll the yoga mat, also put under the leg also can. And then belt. So using the belt under the feet and opening the chest like this. Beginner, don't go directly forward who have stiffness thigh, leg, knees and lower back and hip. Try to let open the chest. Open chest is very important when you're going to forward bend. It is help to your collarbone, help to your lungs, your heart and your spinal cord. At the same time, the light stretching happening to your ligament or your back of the leg. So advised for the beginner, they use the belt and support the cushion under the blanket under the knee or cushion under the knee, and then inhale chest up and opening the chest and going forward. Opening the chest and going forward. So slowly keep breathing. Whenever exhaling, whenever inhale, lifting the chest, lifting, raising, stretching the spine upper direction, and whenever going to forward and push the lumbar and lower spine little more forward according their capacity. And hold for a while, 5 breath, 7 breath, according their how much they can hold the posture and improve. Slowly, this practice will take you beginner to middle to advanced level. So practice this. Who have difficulty with ligament, use cushion, who use blanket, and who have difficulty to catching the toes, use the belt and practice. One day you will free from the cushion or blanket and free from the belt. You can directly catch the heels and you can make your practice better and better. Namaste. Thank you.